to make a new shirt. Alright, that looks like about the right size. Just in case anyone wants to know. 123 centimeters by 78 centimeters. Now, is that centered? That's pretty good. Neck hole, some shoulder parts. I want those to go out to the pretty far out so it blocks the sun. And then some arm slots. Keep those slots away from me. It's about halfway. $23 centimeters, 22 centimeters, and about 20 centimeters across the neck. Don't ask me the radius of the curves. Ooh, it's pretty good.
The cows! Out the cows!
The cows are on the inside. They'll be flipped around when I'm done. Oh, right across the eyeballs! Folding them over and hemming all the seams so they don't come falling apart, fray. They don't fray, that's what it's called. Hey, you have any buttons that I can use? Do you have any cow-shaped buttons?
No.
What do you have?
Yellow button. I have one.
Where's your yellow button? Is it on your cow dress?
In the back.
Oh, cool. My zigzag wasn't working. Turns out there was just some gunk stuck in here, so I cleaned it and oiled it, and it works fine. But while I've got it open, I just have to stare at all the... Look at all those moving parts, and they all do their things. God, so many moving parts. There are all kinds of super fancy ways to do buttonholes. I just sew a rectangle around where I want the hole, and then I cut it. Try not to get my stitches. All right. Alright, I think I'm ready to go do some work.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, moves pretty good. Ooh. Alright, getting ready to get covered in paint and concrete. Well, since it's a work shirt, I figured I should have a pocket too.